Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can basically fix that the drawing tools are not showing inside your FxPro trading application. So as you can see, I'm currently in the chart of gold and there is no indicator or the drawing tools available like in some other applications. So you can definitely enable that option over here inside the FxPro app. So you need to simply come back on the home page, then tap on your profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the option of trading settings and then select the option of trading charts. Over here the FxPro native would be selected, so you need to simply select the option of trading view. Now as soon as you do this, you need to go to the trade section and launch the chart this time. Now you are going to see the trading view icon over here in the left hand side, and you are also going to see all of the tools available here on the top. Like we have the time frame changing tool, then we have the candlesticks change tool, we also have the indicator tools, and we can also tap on this zoom icon in order to basically see all of the trading view tools over here. So that's how basically you can fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.